Hello everyone, this is Dr. Wasim Pathan from La Density Hair Transplant Center, Kochi. So basically you already know about PRP and PRP sessions or hair platelet therapies. So basically what we do in PRP is we give support to your hair through some medication or through some advanced mesotherapies or some kind of medicines which is going to be injected in your skin. These are the types of PRPs we do, and we have some support system through PRP. So PRP is not giving you any other kind of results which is going to be different from medication, but it is going to be supporting the results of medication and whatever you have right now which is existing on your hair. Scalp. So basically today we are going to discuss about different types of PRP which is newly into this market. Today we are starting with something which is called as different types of PRPs in our center, which is La Density Kochi branch, Kerala. So we have three types of PRPs as of now. Basically, one first PRP is a natural PRP, which is you guys are doing regularly in our clinic, which is regular PRP. So this is a basic and very simple method of doing PRP in a two-way centrifugal system. So we take out your blood, 20 ml of blood, we centrifuge this in the machine, and then we have pure plasma from your blood. So basically what we have in our hand right now, it is plasma enriched with lot of platelets, and then we have something called as growth factors in your plasma. So your growth factors are present in your blood. So we are extracting growth factors plus platelets and then plasma all together in a single tube. So this is going to be very natural, and we won't be manipulating anything in this. There is something called as biotin PRP now. Biotin is your own vitamin B7. So we have biotin PRPs already, which is a artificial extract from something else. So this is going to be very definitely it is going to be boosting in your body as we take biotin as a vitamin supplement, which is called as multivitamin. Definitely it has 10 mg biotin. So what we'll be doing is we'll be extracting your 10 ml to 20 ml blood, and then we'll be centrifuging in the machine for a single spin. So what we're getting here is we have plasma, we have platelets enriched, and we have growth factors, plus in addition we have vitamin B7 also, which is your biotin. So this will definitely give you enhanced results, which is going to be supporting more than the normal PRPs. Now we have something called as GFC. This is autologous growth factor concentration PRPs. So this is something which is very enhanced right now, which are people are taking, and we have good results out of it. So 4 sessions of GFC is recommended for you. You don't have platelets in this. You have pure plasma. You have growth factors, which is gonna be artificial, plus you have growth factors from your own blood. So definitely you have two types of growth factors in your plasma and your GFC. So basically what I am trying to tell is that you have blood which is present with fulfilled growth factors, and you have growth factors concentration. So that means you have multiple types of growth factors in the single tube. So four sessions are recommended for this GFC. This will be better than biotin and best than normal PRP, that is regular PRP. So these were the three types of PRPs we are suggesting you to go for. Basically, I want you to get yourself here. We need, if you want any kind of consultations, I'll definitely decide, or we have a team of doctors which are very experienced here. So we'll decide what PRP is better for you. If you have active hair fall, if you have very worse hair fall, we'll be going for GFC, not for regular PRP or biotin PRP. So let the doctor decide, let your own doctor decide how to and which PRP to be given to you. So thank you so much. We'll see you soon with a good video. Namaskar.